My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the scary alerts coming from the website red-note-wno2.click, or similar pop-up is red-note-wno1.click. These pop-ups display pretty scary alerts trying to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Initially, it might look like as if there is some decent software advertised, but when you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be forwarded to some other totally different websites, not the ones initially advertised. So please be very careful, do not interact with all these pop-ups and do not trust what they tell you to do. The occurrence of these pop-ups in your browser may be explained by the presence of some adware enabled in your system. So first thing you could do is to check the control panel carefully and uninstall any programs that are not familiar to you. If you don't remember installing them based on your own decision, uninstall them. I would also strongly advise that you additionally examine your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green button to download Combo Cleaner. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, but it has got certain absolutely free features. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect all threats on your computer and to remove them effectively and to protect your system from being infected by any other possible threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.